Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. And this smartwatch is already preloaded with cool looking beautiful watch faces. And of course, you can download additional watch faces from the support app iPulse. On this video, we are going to have a demo of the AI watch face or the AI dial of this smartwatch. Here on the support app, it is equipped with the AI dial feature, as you can see here. So we will test this one, we'll try it and see if it works with our ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so if you are interested to see this new feature here on the support app, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore this AI dial. So tap on the AI dial. So let it load. As you can see here, we have at least 4 options: realistic, cyberpunk, outer space, and we have mech or mechanized. So we'll try first the realistic. So it says here, enter text in the input box or to speak create an AI watch face. Okay, to make it sure, let's just type our topic here or the image that we want to create. So for example, dog playing, let's see, playing with kite. I don't know if it can create this. Let's see. Then tap on it. As you can see, it is generating. Let's wait for it. And we have here our AI watch face. Nice. It looks good so far, as you can see here. It looks realistic. Okay. So let's try and apply this one. Let's see if it will work. Apply. Then let's adjust the time on the bottom part. We'll pick a different color. Okay, this one will do. Then set as current dial. So let's wait for it to load. It's now loading. And in just a few seconds, we'll have our AI watch face or AI dial. Nice. As you can see here, we have the AI dial. Okay. Next, let's go back and try the cyberpunk. So let's tap on this one. Then so cyberpunk, let's say building. With airplane on top. Airplane on top. Okay. Then let's run it. Okay, and we have here the AI dial. Okay, nice. Okay, it looks weird, but as you can see here, the AI was able to create our image that we want. The image that we want. Okay, so the AI was able to create it. Building with airplane on top. How about our outer space? Let's try SpaceX. On Mars. Let's try this one. It is generating, and we'll see in just a few seconds. And we have here the SpaceX on Mars. Then let's try to apply this one. Apply. Okay. Then set as current watch face. Let's wait. It's still loading. And we have here our space theme watch face. Nice so far. Okay, I'm beginning to like this AI dial, but again, you need to have an internet connection to be able to use this feature. Then mechanize. Let's see. Gundam robot. Color yellow. Let's see with this one. Okay, it's now generating, and we have here our Gundam robot with a color yellow. Okay, so nice so far, and as you can see, it's so fun creating watch faces for the smartwatch. Here we have a section for AI creation history. You can at least have 30 images here, as you can see. Okay, so this is a very good feature for our itel Storm Ultra smartwatch, the AI dial feature. So that's it for the demo of the AI dial, and so far it works and we like it. A very good feature from itel. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe.